Knowing your skin undertone as a woman would determine the kind of outfit you should put on to look very good, the kind of wigs you should put on, the kind of jewelry you should put on, the kind of shoes you should buy, even the kind of pants and bras you should buy. Jokes. Let's jump right in. How do you know your undertone? I'm going to show you quickly. One of the ways to know your undertone is the vein test. You check your vein and you check the color. It is advisable you do this under natural light, not ring light. Okay. Under natural light, you check your vein. If you can see a green vein, that means you are warm. So let's call it GW. Green vein is what? Warm. Good job. Now, if you can see purple or blue, that means your undertone is cool. Purple or blue means what? Cool. Good job. And if you can see a mix of both, that means you could see green and a mix of purple, or you could see green and perhaps blue. You are so lucky. Congratulations, my darling sister. Your undertone is neutral, and anything you put on sis would look fantastically beautiful. You don't have to stress yourself. You just allow me to enjoy myself. Allow me to just YOLO. There are some outfits that in past time you realize that you wore this outfit, but you were not really feeling it. It seems like something is off. Or you bought this outfit with very high expectation because of how it looked on the person that wore it, but it got to you, it was not looking the same way. Now, I'm not talking about what I ordered versus what I got, and someone is like a glass hour body shape, no. And the whole body shape is not glass hour, no. I'm talking about skin tone. One of the reasons why it could look so well on the model, maybe because the person was wearing the appropriate color for herself, the appropriate wig, the appropriate accessory, so everything looks prim and proper. But when you put yours together, it's not coming together the same way. Gold jewelries are perfect for people with warm undertone. If gold color jewelries or accessories look so beautiful on you, your undertone is warm. Another way to know your undertone is the jewelry test. If silver color accessories looks extremely beautiful on you, your undertone is cool. But if you are a baddie and you can rock both, your undertone is neutral. If your undertone is warm, here are colors that you can work with that would look so beautiful on you. Green color would look beautiful, brown color would look beautiful, yellow color would look very beautiful on you, peach color would look fantastic, amber color would look fantastic, gold color would look fantastic, of course. Colors tilting towards red, orange, they will look really fantastic on you. If your undertone is cool, blue color, purple, pink looks great. For white or black, one thing I have discovered about white color for both undertones is, so for some undertone, a different shade of white might look better on one undertone than the other. Both undertones can actually wear white color. However, one shade of white looks better than the other shade of white, if that makes sense. I'm going to give you a simple assignment, very simple. Before you do your next shopping, Google is your friend. You go to Google now. Let's say I want to buy a wig, and I'm thinking about the best color of the wig to buy. Of course, I already know my skin undertone. If it's warm, if it's cool, I can go to Google and say best wig color for warm undertone. Now with what I can see here are the best wig color for a warm undertone. You look good in honey blonde, copper, caramel, chocolate, chestnut. You would even look good in like a red or wine wig. When you start implementing this and you start wearing clothes, wigs, jewelry, shoes that suits your undertone, trust me, you are going to love how you are going to look. You are going to get more compliments. People will say, oh, you look beautiful, you look amazing. It is because you are now learning how to match your undertone with the things that you are wearing. So before you buy anything, before you spend your money on anything at all, you can even ask ChatGPT. Like, so guys, you have no idea of why I asked ChatGPT. Like, I asked ChatGPT ridiculous questions. Like, ridiculous. I just feel like, okay, hey buddy, what do you think about this, right? So you can ask ChatGPT, oh, this is my undertone, I want to buy this wig, these are the colors that I think I prefer, which one would you really suggest to me? ChatGPT will tell you, okay, go with this, and before you know it, you have built a wardrobe and outfits that are very good, very beautiful, that you can put them together and they really look good. Kindly hit the like button, as it goes a long way into helping my channel grow, and it compensates the effort I put into making this video. Thank you so much for your help. I really do appreciate you. God bless you. In case you have this question, I have a lot of outfits in my wardrobe that exactly do not match my undertone. Now that I know about undertone, what should I do with those outfits? Or I have accessories, I have wigs that do not match my undertone. What should I do? Good question. throw them away. Jokes. So if you have outfits or items that do not match your undertone, this is what you can do. The basic things that your undertone affects is your jewelry, outfits, and clothes. Now, what you will do is when you want to match these things that do not directly match your undertone, make sure that your existing outfit already matches your undertone. Now, if your undertone is warm and you know a gold jewelry would look better, and you have silver accessories that you need to use, like you bought them with your ad-end money, so wear a dress that completely suits your undertone, wear a wig that completely suits your undertone, that you cannot use the silver jewelry. But what will make you look washed out, you just not look prim, is when you wear an outfit that doesn't match your undertone, a wig that doesn't match your undertone, and you now top it up with a jewelry that doesn't match your undertone. You won't like it. But you could still make do with a mix of both. Outfit matches your undertone, the wig doesn't directly match your undertone, but you already got the wig for $300, and of course you're not going to throw it away, so you're still gonna rock it still. That wig is like, I'm not doing it again. So yeah, you still rock it that way. You wear outfit and jewelry that complement your body tone, and that wig, by the time you put them together that way, nobody's gonna know. How will they know? Also, your skin undertone will determine the kind of makeup you should use. When it comes to makeup, I'm not really a pro. I am still learning. I'm going to show you a sample of my birthday shoot makeup, and the makeup artist did two different eyeshadow on my face, and we compared both. One was looking more beautiful and radiant than the other. In fact, I did a video call with a friend to show her that, please, I'm having two makeups on, check my eyeshadow, which one do you think is better? I was like, just go for this gold color, it suits your undertone better, it works better. So I had to tell her to clean the purple, or what's the color, the second one, and we went with gold. Now, in a case where I had done the purple only, I'm not going to look as good as I am meant to look. Yes, I'm going to look good, but maybe not as much. So it boils down to your lipstick color, your eyeshadow. Your undertone is actually that powerful. One of the reasons why some people look extremely good almost all the time is because they have understood their undertone, mastered how it works, and they just dress and use everything according to their undertone, and you see them like, you look so beautiful. A lot of effort actually went into that. Please let me know in the comment section if you found this video valuable. I love to read from you so much, you have no idea. Now that you are aware of your skin undertone and what you have to do to look more put together in your outfit, I want you to go out, look beautiful, look amazing. I am so much rooting for you. Thank you for watching. I love you so much, but God loves you more. Mwah. I have this video where I spoke about wardrobe essentials, the things you should have in your wardrobe that would help you look very beautiful and put together. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Mwah. Bye.